Bro, I think my alarm clock's haunted. So I bought this smart alarm clock that's supposed to wake me up all calm and peaceful. Birds chirping, piano music, that whole relaxing vibe. Next morning it goes off. I'm like, oh, that's nice. Then I immediately fall back asleep. Next day, I crank the volume up. Still didn't work. I slept through the sound of nature like I was part of it. Then this morning, I hear it say, "Good morning. Time to wake up." Half asleep, I mumble, 5 more minutes. And you want to know what's the crazy part? It wasn't even plugged in. So what told me good morning?